Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in a Ford Ranger. First, gather all your supplies, including 5 to 6 quarts of the recommended motor oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a filter wrench, and a socket set. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug, typically found on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct size socket, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure all the old oil is out before proceeding. After the oil has drained, locate the old oil filter. It's usually a cylindrical canister. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, typically an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Now, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications. Carefully pour the new motor oil into the engine's oil fill cap, typically 5 to 6 quarts for a Ford Ranger. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Finally, dispose of the old oil responsibly at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.